My name is Scott. I attended CCTG in February of 15. Before CCTG's class, I was in investment banking and trading. I also did a bit of development in real estate and investment real estate for many years. Well, for me, it wasn't really even a question of if. The platinum package was very important to me because I knew nothing about marketing, let alone web design and managing the web, SEO, social media. I knew the business behind it. I knew how to speak to clients well and knowledgeable pretty much before the class and even more so after the class. So I wanted to not think about the marketing from day to day. A recent deal that I financed was a $3 million building acquisition that allowed my client to double his business and his footprint in Texas. I ended up beating out two other banks by being real creative with working capital. The deal was one of my larger deals last year and allowed me to really accelerate my payback on the CCTG initial training plan and the platinum plan, of which I did the payback within seven to 8 months. The platinum plan marketing was very important to me. I did not come into this with much previous knowledge of marketing, let alone internet and SEO. The SEO, I'm really seeing a lot of benefit coming from right now. The pay-per-click is a steady stream of clients every single month. Some of them great, some of them not great, but that's part of the business. The lead generation that they provide me for the first 6 months was pretty much solely on them. After that, you develop your circles of referral partners that you get business from. But most of it starts from that. And even today, over a year into it, I get significant deals from that pay-per-click plan every month, every day. The marketing team is very responsive. Alex and Brittany and Ashley are great. The web design and maintenance team that are behind the scenes are also great. We have monthly calls, or more than that. If I want to speak to them, I pick up the phone and I'm talking with them with them directly in 10 minutes. I send them an email, they get directly back. If I want to change on my website, they are on top of it within 24 hours. They were beyond expectations. The Platinum Plan has been invaluable for my business. I feel like I have a whole marketing arm working for me that I don't have to do anything for. They operate in the background and they just perform. When I considered the Platinum Plan in the beginning, I considered cost in depth. When I considered my experience with marketing and theirs and reviewed what they had, most of it I didn't even understand what they did. It was absolutely necessary for me, and I can't imagine people being nearly as successful as I have been without it. I would highly recommend the Platinum Plan to CCTG grads. I think it's not just beneficial, I think it's necessary. If you want to go and have this be a sideline and not your real career, maybe you could go and do that. But if you want to have a career in this business, you need a marketing team working for you. Even if you've had marketing jobs, I think what they do is something that I can't imagine anyone doing. CCTG has been great. They really allowed me to expand my knowledge of commercial finance in general. While I came into it with probably more experience than most, what they provided me expanded into areas that I really didn't know a lot about. I was very well versed in a lot of the commercial real estate, but it's the other offerings that were really beneficial to me. And then the CCTG family has stayed with me today even. I mean, me and Chris talk. John and I talk every other day. The marketing team daily. It's just been a really great experience to be associated with them.